Beihai Park is located in the center of Beijing, northwest of the Forbidden City, east of Jingshan, north of Shishihei. Beihai Park covers a total area of 682,000 square meters, of which the water area of 389,000 square meters, land area of 293,000 square meters. It is the earliest, best preserved, and most culturally profound classical royal garden in China and is a national four-level tourist attraction. The beautiful melody of let's swing the oars, the little boat pushes away the waves, has echoed in the childhood of countless people, and the scene of this children's song is the Beihai Park. The formation of Beihai Park can be traced back to the Liao dynasty, Sui, Jin, Heiwan, and then through the expansion of Yuan and Ming dynasties, it has become a real palace garden. And in the Qing dynasty, due to the invasion of the 8-power allied forces in Beijing, after the destruction of the park was formally opened to the public in 1925, and it was named as Beihai Park.
Beihai Park is a continental monsoon park. Beihai Park has a continental monsoon climate with an average annual temperature of 10 degrees Celsius and annual precipitation 644 millimeters.
The Beihai Park is the largest lake in the city of Beijing, and the Ming Reservoir is the main source of water supply. The park is rich in flora and fauna, including juniper, cypress, and white pine, as well as the endangered species of ducks and the internationally endangered species of ducks. Beihai Park is mainly composed of Putonghua Island, the east coast, the north coast, and the west coast. The main attractions include Yong'an Bridge, Yong'an Temple, Xakaxatian, Nine Dragons Wall, Chengguang Hall, and so on. Beihai is located in the center of Beijing, is China's existing history of the earliest garden, the most complete preservation, the deepest cultural deposition of the classical royal gardens. The formation and development of Beihai through the Jin, Yuan, Ming, and Qing dynasties carries the history and culture of China for nearly 1,000 years and has formed a style of gardening art represented by the Royal Garden, which is a masterpiece that unites the cultural and artistic achievements of gardens of all times. And it is an important witness to the history of the ancient capital of Beijing, and also an important part of the ecosystem of Beijing. In 1961, Beihai and Tuanchang were selected as the first batch of National Key Cultural Relics Protection Unit. In 1962, Beijing Municipal People's Government recognized it as the Beijing Tourism Best, the earliest royal garden in the world.